And we're ready to do his mane, his forelock and his mane. So again, starting with the bottom and working up to the top. The forelock we can do, but the mane itself has to be done from the bottom up. So the forelock we can do. We can start with the front of that and work our way back. So it's purple at the top. So we'll start with the purple, little purple pieces. Okay, so there's the beginning of it. This is forelock. Now we got to turn him around and do his mane. So we're starting from the bottom up. So we're going to start with the yellow and do it the exact same way we did or start with the, I guess we're going from, the mane, yeah, it goes down and up. So start with the yellow at the bottom. And it's just at the base of his neck. And it's much shorter. So we're just going to stick it out like that. Okay. So give him a couple. Give it movement, make it move. Hair doesn't just hang straight. Some of them will, but not all of them. And if it doesn't stick just by sticking it, use water. Okay, so yellow, then green. Try to keep them light. Trying to defy gravity here. Why this one keeps slipping. Okay, so I finished up the mane back there. Put all the pieces on, starting with the bottom. I put the forelock on first, and then I start with the bottom and work my way up. And his ear fell off. It's like, wait a minute, I had another piece in here and his ear is gone. I guess I pushed it too far. And his ear is gone. Let me put his ear back on again. I put a piece of mane right around the front of it, and I probably pushed it off when I did that. So we'll just push that back on. There we go. Okay, so there you see that. And there he is in the front. Now, you'll notice that I added a couple mushrooms here. And I was just putting some color on them. I'm going to show you how to make these. They're really quick and they're cute. So I'm just using a little bit of lilac pink to give them a little color on the top, and a little bit of cymbidium green on the bottom to give them some color. And I'll show you how I made these real quick. They're very fast. I just used a little pink and a little yellow. Mushrooms are very organic. So basically whatever shape you want to do, whatever you want to do. So for the top, a little bit of baby pink. Rolled into the ball, any size you want. I'm going to make a little one. I'm not going to actually use this one. Okay, so I just pressed my thumb in. Okay, it's a little sticky. That's okay. And then pinched just a little bit, just around like a cup. Okay, and then just smooth here. You just smooth it. Okay, and I just set that aside. And for the base, all I did was, again, take whatever size I wanted of yellow. You can do any color, but I wanted pink and yellow. All right, and then make a ball, then make a cone. Okay, so it's going to have a flat bottom, kind of like a cone you would do for a rose base. And then I took something that made marks, like a toothpick or a knife tool in my case, and did a bunch of lines. Okay, like so. Then I took a little bit more yellow, roll a ball, and just pop it on. And that made the spots that you see on the front of that one. Just kind of flatten them down, haphazardly, willy-nilly, this way and that. Okay, and then a little bit of that pink, that lilac here, and a little cymbidium green there, and attach them to each other. You can use water or royal icing, and then onto the board. Okay, and that way I could actually get one of my butterflies on here. I could put one of my butterflies on. I don't know if I'm going to do it. I think I'll put them in the back. It's kind of a dark color for our palette here, so I'll probably put them in the back. Put them on the back. Okay. I think I got everything. I think I did it. Okay, and so we're done. There is your little pony who wants to grow up to be a unicorn cake. What kind of a party do you want? You can use it for anything you want. You can use this cake for as just a unicorn. You can just make a unicorn, leave out the worried face, and the tied ribbon and the paint cans, and just make a unicorn cake for any little kid.